Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm under the wild grape pergola. And in the foreground, you see the spring greens coming up. I don't know how much the camera is going to show, but I can see little bits peeking up here and there. The kiwi here. I don't know if I see grape sprouts yet, but certainly the daffodils have started coming up, and the some of the lilies over here have started coming up. At any rate, the idea here is to kind of take that idea of new growth, that kind of piercing up through the earth, the reaching for the warmth and the light, and consider that energy as coming up through us, or perhaps to feel just inspired by that energy in our own practice. For me, I kind of feel that energy coming up through the soles of the feet, up into the being, reaching maturation and flower, right? So, I see a variegated leaf coming up over here. And so as we do this practice, it's very easy to just kind of think about the greens that have made it into the lights, as you see in the foreground. But of course, what we know is that there are other greens that are under the ground. And there are some things that are not yet green, they're still pale. And they're also piercing up. In other words, they're just out of sight, but that doesn't mean they have to be out of mind. So developing this ability to be inspired by this energy, or actually feel something that's very much matching that spring energy, is a really nice quality to develop in your Tàijíquán practice. So enjoy that, and maybe set some seeds this year for what will come and who will come to them. Thank you. Love.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.